CATCHW8, complete CATCHW8 management ERP.
Kit product in CATCHW8. So from manufacturing module, click on master data. Now select the bill of material. Now we have to choose a product. First we have to set the bill of material type. So click on kit. After that save it. Now we'll go to sales module. Now create the quotation. Select the customer name. Add the product. Now enter the order quantity and the CATCHW8 quantity. Now confirm the sale order. Now click on delivery button. Here we can see the components of the product and the CATCHW8 demand, CATCHW8 reserved and CATCHW8 done quantity. After validating, the state will go to from ready to done. So click on validate button. Here we can see the CATCHW8 demand, CATCHW8 done quantity as well as the CATCHW8 unit of measure and the initial demand. Now the state is in the done state. This is how sales kit product works in CATCHW8.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.